In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play WWE 2K24 on keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. WWE 2K24 is available on PC, which means that you can play using a keyboard. So even if you don't have a controller, you will still be able to enjoy WWE 2K24 with only your keyboard. You can customize all of the inputs, change the settings, and use it natively. So if you just want to play WWE 2K24 with a keyboard, all that you have to do is open the game. It is going to automatically detect your keyboard, so you don't even have to do anything. As long as it is properly connected to your PC, either with a wired or wireless connection, it will be picked up and usable right away. You don't have to worry about anything else. If you would like to change some settings about your keyboard, then you will have to go over to the options of the game. So when you access the options and you go over to extras, you will be able to find input settings. So go to options and then access the extras category. Inside of input settings, you will be able to change all of the keyboard inputs that you are using. For this video, sadly, I cannot go over every single option here, but there are a lot of videos which are going to be recommendations on which binds to use. So I recommend that you look at those and you determine which binds are the best for you. As long as you change these key binds, you will be able to make your experience better. So change the heavy, grapple, reversal, light, climb, pick up object, and so on. There is a lot to go over, and because of the nature of this video, I cannot give you recommendations for every single one of these, but you will be able to use any button on your keyboard and assign an action to each of them, according to whatever you prefer. Of course, if you want to use a controller, you just have to connect it to your PC and it should be detected natively as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to play WWE 2K24 on keyboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.